आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो
everyone. First of all, thank you for being here. We are from BKS Convent School, Ludhiana, and today we are conducting a science exhibition which was organized by Ma'am Trishka, who is teaching as a science teacher in our institute. And
Good morning, sir. My name is Harsimran Kaur. I am from class 10. My project name is Hydroelectric Dam. My project shows that how potential energy and kinetic energy is converted into mechanical energy. The water that is stored in the reservoir flows through the penstock and strike the blades of turbine. Through the turbine, runner starts rotating, which generate electricity. The electric energy we obtain is then supplied for the industrial and domestic use. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Mandeep Singh from class 9. When any rocket lift off, its double stack booster start working and working about 5 minutes. Then it and their components going to down. Then its Vikas engine start working and take the rocket to the out of atmosphere. Then its cyclonetic engine start working. Then the two parts of rocket get detached and the satellite goes to the moon and revolve the moon around 2 days, and then the moon lander starts working on the surface of moon. It collects samples of moon, soil and other things. This moon lander is very effective and good symbol. My next model name is airplane yoke. The yoke is a shaped steering, like U-shaped steering. We select our destination, and this is the speed breaker of the airplane, and this is known as the throttle. The speed is controlled by fuel level. When we move yoke right, the plane goes to the right direction, and when we go up, the plane goes to the up direction, and then the plane take off.
Good morning, my name is Praveen Kaur from 9th class. My model is about atomic structure. An atom is made of 3 main parts: protons, neutrons and electrons. Proton neutrons are formed at center called nucleus, which is charged by the electrons are tiny. Negative charged particles that revolve around the nucleus in the same path called shells or energy levels. Which is explained that the protons and neutrons that give us mass, and while electrons control. My next model name is human eye. The light enters through the cornea. This is transparent part and it reflects light. This is called iris and this is called pupil. Iris helps to adjust pupil to its through the amount of light entering the eye. The lens further transmits the lights to the retina. Retina contains cones and rods. The image formed on retina is inverted. The sensation sent to the brain helps us to see the image.
myself Jaspal Kaur and I am from standard 8. My topic is respiratory system. This is our lungs. We can take oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide. This is alveoli. It is a small air sacs
like as balloons. This is our pharynx. This is our windpipe. Windpipe is also known as trachea. Pharynx is also known as throat. When we take oxygen, this is our left lungs bronchus. This is our bronchus, and this is all throats. When we take oxygen, this is oxygen in and this is oxygen out. This is our right bronchus. It is small, shorter and more vertical shape.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kamal Singh. The model name is Newton disc. Newton disc is a model that shows the samples of Newton disc, that is red, yellow, green, purple, blue, dark blue, violet. When this move in fast speed, that shows the white color. That shows the white color. Connected with 7 colors of dark. Our eyes cannot see the 7 colors because our eyes cannot see separately. When disc moving fast, the Newton disc show the 7 colors with the help of all the colors of pressure applied to a liquid is
खेलों के मेलों में पल खाती रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में खद्दर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे तफ्ता बोहीटों में रंग है समाज बिखरे और खुल के आज बिखरे मन जाए ऐसी होली रग रग मचल के बोली दस है ना मसके की जिद है ता जिद है थी किसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पिसना यूं ही पत्थर है कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे गिल्लिया चक दे हो चक दे गिल्लिया चक दे हो चक दे गिल्लिया चक दे हो चक दे गिल्लिया
mix it with the HCl hydrochloric acid which are present in our stomach and then go to the small intestine which absorbs nutrients and vitamins from it and then waste product exits from the cells. My model is made with the cardboard, thermocol, tissue paper and colors. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashleen Kaur. The solar system planet has the sun in the center with 8 planets: Earth, Venus, Mars, Saturn, Neptune, etc. These planets inner planets are small and rocky, while the outer ones are big and gas giants. It shows how the sun keeps gravity moving the planets in paths. This project teaches about the model of the solar system.
And pressure builds up, it forms as bubble and it pushes out as lava, ash, rock through crater and during an eruption.
Myself Parmeshwar Kaur. I am from 9th standard. My model is about air pollution. Air pollution happens when harmful gases, dust, fires mix with the air. This model shows how these pollutants harm lungs, plants and animals, and also show the simple ways to reduce pollution, like planting more and more trees and using clean energy. This helps to people understand the importance of keeping air clean for a healthy environment. Thanks.